Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best cordless drill drivers on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Black & Decker 20V Max Power Reconnect cordless drill/driver. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Black & Decker 20V Max Power Reconnect cordless drill/driver offers power and versatility with its 20-volt lithium-ion battery, delivering strong performance and long-lasting power. It features an 11-position clutch to prevent stripping and overdriving screws, providing precise control. The compact, lightweight design makes it easy to handle, ideal for a range of DIY projects. Number 2 is the Commware 20V cordless drill electric power drill set with 1 battery and charger. The Commware 20V cordless drill is a versatile and powerful tool designed for a wide range of home and DIY projects. It comes with a 20V lithium-ion battery and charger, ensuring long-lasting power and quick recharges. This drill features a 2-speed setting and a 21+1 position clutch, offering precise control for drilling into wood, metal, plastic, and more. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle, reducing fatigue during extended use. The drill also includes a keyless chuck for quick bit changes and an LED light to illuminate dark work areas. The set comes with 34 accessories, including drill bits and driver bits, all neatly stored in a durable carrying case, making it convenient for storage and transport. Whether you're assembling furniture, hanging pictures, or tackling more complex tasks, the Commware 20V cordless drill provides the power and precision you need. And to finish, the first position goes to the DeWalt 20V Max cordless drill/driver kit. The DeWalt 20V Max cordless drill/driver kit delivers reliable power and performance with its high-speed transmission, offering 2 speed settings for various tasks. The compact, lightweight design ensures easy handling in tight spaces. It features a 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck for strong bit gripping strength. This kit includes 2 lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a carrying case, making it perfect for both professional and DIY projects. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 cordless drill drivers that you can buy online through Amazon, and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.